exchange saga of Tim Payne, I'll give you more details on that. Uske baad, Mohammad Nawaz's special delivery has Twitter reacting. What is that about? Well, I'm going to be telling you. और सबसे अंत में, the IPL media rights tender, will it be delayed further? Well, I will tell you that as well in today's episode of News Tracker with me, Nivedna Prabhu. Hello everybody, I hope you're well and of course keeping safe. Welcome to News Tracker. This is the show where we keep you updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. But before I begin today's video, अगर आपने अभी तक like, share और subscribe नहीं किया है to our channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, so go ahead and hit that button quickly. And without wasting any more time, let's begin today's video. The text exchange between Tim Payne and his woman colleague that happened way back in 2017 has of course now resurfaced, which has caught the attention of the cricket world. On the other hand, Tim Payne also knew the exact consequences of this particular conversation. Now those messages have been going viral, but let me give you a little more context about it. Now in fact, his woman colleague texted him that both of them would be in trouble if these private messages got leaked. The woman then resigned from her post the following year as she was offended by Payne's sexual messages, which can be seen in the screenshot. She even complained about Payne's behavior to the authorities as well. Now, of course, yesterday Tim Payne did take that decision to be stepping down as Australia's Test team, captain after, of course, this happened. But how do you all view this? Do you think there should be stricter laws when such, episodes happen? Do you think there should be far more repercussions if cricketers get involved in such controversies? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. A spinner delivers at a speed anywhere between 75 km per hour all the way probably to 105 km per hour. Now, if a spinner manages to do anything beyond this, it is probably a little absurd. Now, this absurd context has something to do with Mohammad Nawaz as well, which has Twitter reacting. What am I talking about? Well, let me tell you. Now, despite the fact the speed gun showed Mohammad Nawaz's delivery as 148.1 km per hour, which is 92 miles per hour. This figure is at times difficult to attain for any fast bowler. There's no means that it would be possible that a delivery by Nawaz would attain a speed like that. The video of the mistake was uploaded by a fan on Twitter and has been trending since. What do you all think of that? Because obviously, we just pointed out, it was an error, but it would be quite interesting to see, the speed actually step up, because after that happened, everybody was kind of reacting on Twitter saying, who needs Shaheen Afridi anymore if this is what Mohammad Nawaz can actually deliver? So give me your honest opinions of this funny episode in the comment section below. Well, the countdown for the IPL 2022 has already begun, and BCCI of course is in full swing to be making arrangements for the same. But there's still some doubt about what is really happening with the IPL media rights tender, so let me give you a little more context about this. Now, it has been reported that the media rights tender of IPL, which is already delayed, is set to take more time. Now, the Indian Cricket Board had announced that it would be done immediately after the appointment of the two new IPL teams in late October. It is learned that the BCCI's indecisiveness over the auction is another reason why the tender is delayed. Apparently, BCCI hasn't decided whether it is going to go for an e-auction or opt for closed bidding. Now, of course, we'll have to wait and watch what more information we can get about this, but you tell me in the comment section, how excited are you for IPL 2022? And I want to also know from you, from each franchise, or rather the franchise that you are supporting, who do you think they're going to be retaining? Mujhe bataiye in the comment section below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because wahan pe you'll find some amazing match-winning combos as well as fantasy tips for your fantasy team, so you wouldn't want to miss out. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be back very soon to tell you what's happening in the world of cricket, to bring you some amazing content from the world of cricket. But for that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And until I see you next time, like I always say, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye-bye.